Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. So I am so excited to bring you guys this new Outre Leave Out U part unit. You guys, this is brand new from their gold label. It is a leave out wig. It is created on a U part cap. It has a 3.5-inch opening for your leave out, 9+ quality grade bundle hair. You can bleach it, you can dye it, you can customize it. So let's get right into it. Here is the information card. And this is the Aruban Wave 12-inch in the natural brown color. So let's go ahead and take it out of the box. So this U-part unit features 100% unprocessed human hair. So this is the leave out area, and this is how the waves look right out of the box. It does have 2 combs on the side, 1 comb at the nape, and it has 3 combs around the leave-in area. I'm loving how secure this wig is going to be with all these combs, and just look at the quality of the cap. This is really well constructed, and I love how the clips are at the very front of the unit for added security. So this hair is soft, it has a natural luster, it actually has a bacteria resistant wig cap. You can actually shift the part on this wig, and this wig features a narrower U-part opening, so you can leave less leave out. So let's go ahead and get into how I did my base and how I braided my hair down. So here's a little bit of leave out. Here are 2 anchor braids on the side and 2 anchor braids on the side of my leave out. So I'm going to go ahead and clip these 2 clear little pieces of string that's just holding the wig together. And I'm just going ahead and getting my my edges out of the way. And let's go ahead and install this unit. So I'm going to put the clip in the back first. And I do suggest you guys putting an anchor braid at the nape of your neck, just so the comb can have something to grip into instead of just loose hair. And that will help you guys not just snatch out your hair when this wig is being taken down. And let's go ahead and insert the front combs into the anchor braid on each side. Now this is the part I love. I love the fact that the clips are all the way to the front of the unit. Sometimes you can have like a little piece of flappy material, but this comb is at the edge. So it's going to allow you to put it right at the edge of your leave out, which is great for security, and it doesn't need any type of sewing down in the front at all. I love that. So I'm just literally clipping it in. It takes minutes, you guys. So easy. So I'm just using the clip at the back of the leave out area, and I'm just going to pull my leave out through. And just as simple as that, 1, 2, 3, I'm just going to clip that down. It's a little bit harder to clip if the braid is thicker. And that's literally it. This wig is installed. So as you can see, it's some gapping right here. So you can either sew that down, or I'm going to show you guys a quick and easy method to how to tackle that and make it lay down flat. So I'm going to take 2 short bobby pins, and these are the more open bobby pins, and I'm literally just going to put one end of the bobby pin through the wig and the other end of the bobby pin through my braid. And this is just going to help the wig. Like I said, you can definitely sew it, but it just helps it not be so gappy and kind of open. It kind of helps it lay down flat and it be more secure if you don't have time to sew the unit down. So I do wish it had 4 clips around the leave out just to prevent that kind of gapness, but that's just one con so far with this unit. I just wish it had 4 combs instead of 2. But as you can see, the bobby pins help it be much more secure and it lays down flat. And yeah, it's looking really good. This is how it looks so far. So I'm going to go ahead and take down my leave out, and I know you guys are like, what the heck? I have straight hair. This unit is obviously curly. What am I going to do? So I took down my leave out and I'm just giving it a middle part. And once you make your part, you definitely want to make sure you have enough hair in the back to cover that back area. So I'm just going to make a part going straight across, and I'm going to make sure that some hair is enough hair is in the back to cover that track there. And this wig does require minimal leave out, but make sure you have enough leave out in the front as well. Like when the wind blows, you don't want to see just that track. So I actually did not take out enough in the front, enough edges in the front, so I had to go and try to take as much as I can out, but since I had a braid underneath, it was kind of difficult. So tip number 1 and tip number 2, make sure you take out enough leave out to cover the tracks in the front and down the middle. So I'm going to take some heat protectant serum. And whenever you use U-parts, if you're going to use heat, please use a heat protectant to protect your real hair. So I'm going to saturate it pretty good. And I'm going to actually flat iron my hair first with this mini flat iron I have. This is the smallest one I have. So I'm just going to go through and do a few passes around my leave out. It needs to be straightened before I curl it. So yes, I'm going to curl my leave out. So now that my leave out is all straightened and one side of my hair is actually done, I did it off camera. What I'm going to show you guys is definitely important to take your leave out and a piece of the wig when you're trying to when you're blending a U-part period. Even if it's straight, if it's curly, take a piece of the wig and curl it with your leave out. It just helps it blend more easier. So when I curl my hair, I'm not going to immediately separate the curls. I'm just going to let it cool down in place, just to make sure that curl sets and gets cool before I actually go in and separate it. So I'm just going to go ahead and curl all my leave out. And I know you guys are like, okay, the color of her leave out is totally different than this unit. I do understand this unit is a lot more brown than I expected, but it can be dyed. So it can easily be dyed using some box hair dye to match my hair color. So guys, don't pay attention to much of that. It can definitely be customized to your hair color. That's the beauty of this unit being unprocessed. You can bleach and dye it any way you like. So now that that is done, I'm going to take some Got To Be Glued freeze spray because my hair will swell up. So I'm going to freeze spray it, allow that to dry, and I'm separating the curls with the end of my rat tail comb. This is very important. Try not to use your fingers. And I'm just going to fluff it up and try to separate these curls and just kind of bunch it up. looking really cute so far. So I'm just going to take some edge control and just lay down those edges that I left out in the front. And I'm going to use 2 longer bobby pins this time. This is kind of like a tip if your hair is having trouble blending with the U part. This is just kind of something I made up. I know a lot of girls may use this method, but it's kind of like you're bringing your leave out and kind of pinning it down and kind of mixing it together with the wig. You girls understand, if your hair is straight and you're trying to blend it with a curly U part wig, it's really difficult. So you're just trying to, I don't really know how to describe it, just to pin it down, just to make it more fluffy at the top and just more blended looking. And it always works for me. So here I'm showing you guys I didn't leave enough leave out. My hair is pretty thin when it's flat iron, so make sure you leave enough leave out. So right now I'm just taking a wide tooth comb and just fluffing up the unit a bit, just to give it a more natural, kind of bigger look and not so flat and matted down. And for some reason I don't like when the ends of curly units are straight, so I'm just going in and kind of tapering it a bit. You can customize this wig any way you like. It is so lightweight and cool for the summer. Like, I'm absolutely loving this unit. It's the perfect length. And yeah, this is how it's looking. And guys, I'm done. So I'm going in with some oil sheen. I think it's important for the weave to be the same sheen as your leave out. And guys, guess what? I'm all finished. This is the final look. Let me know what you guys think. Like I said, I wish it had 2 additional combs in the unit, and I wish the natural brown was a little bit darker to match my hair color, but that's really, it's easily changed. I can definitely dye this unit to make it look any way I like. So definitely check out the links below. Thanks so much, Outre, for sponsoring this video. I really enjoy this unit. Let me know down in the comments below if you guys love it as well. Be sure to hit that subscribe button to become a part of the cutie clique. And oh yeah, you can wear this unit as a side part as well. So this is definitely a great versatile unit for the summer. Definitely check out the gold label unit and all the My Tress units by Outre. Thanks so much for watching again, you guys. Stay tuned for my future videos. Bye.